me, Bleau. So how was you guys' Halloween? Even though you guys didn't care, my Pikachu costume was awesome. And you guys can see that on my Instagram. I'm not actually upset or sad at all. I gave you the choice between a trick or treat bag or a Pikachu costume. And even though Pikachu has had some rough days, the bag came out looking super cool, so it's okay. So now we're moving out of Halloween and into that tiny space between like Halloween and like Thanksgiving. But this video has nothing to do with the holiday whatsoever. I'm going to show you how to make perler bead earrings, specifically cacti. And you could do what I did with my earrings. You could wear one cactus earring and one other earring, or you could wear both. It's really your decision. So let's get started. First you'll need perler beads and a square pegboard. You'll also need some parchment paper, and you'll need gold chain, an earring hook, a split ring, and an eye pin. You'll also need some wire cutters and an iron. You could start by making your cactus by using different shades of green for birds. There's like a flock of crazy birds out there, and that's a crazy dog. I'm shooting videos! Sorry, I was so rudely interrupted. What was I saying? Okay, so the first step is to make a cactus. Use different shades of green perler beads to make it. It looks more interesting if you use different shades of green rather than just one shade. And it's really hard to explain how to make a cactus, so I'm just going to show you. The next step is to iron your cactus. So lay a piece of, sorry, those are my movers. Not my movers, sorry. My neighbors are moving in and they're being so loud. And this guy is like standing right out there and staring in the window, being like super creepy and awkward. Anyway, lay your piece of parchment paper over your cactus. Press your iron to the parchment paper and lift and press. Then flip your cactus to the other side, lay your piece of parchment paper over, and lift and press again with your iron. Stick an eye pin through the top. Trim your chain and then wrap your eye pin around your chain. Now all you have to do is connect your earring hook. That's it. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and like and share with all of your friends. And bye!